Welcome back. I'll continue the next topic today. Today I want to discuss one more process, Damen process. In the previously we have completed already different type of processes. So parent process is completed, child process is completed, background process, foreground process. Okay. So like that all this ARPAN process, zombie process, all these processes are completed. Okay. We know that different type of process. I forgot it actually, this one. So this is also one of the process type. Okay. What is that process type is Damen process. Damen process. Here, Damen process. You know that Damen process? So in daily life we are using the systems. Damen process automatically it will be running. How? Here we can see that those are activated whenever the system is booted. Those are activated. The Damen process is activated when. So the system is activated automatically. The Damen process will be started. Okay. So here those are activated whenever the system is booted. We know that in the starting time boot files are running. We know that our system is starting. Okay. So the Windows is open or any operating system is open. The boot files are running. So initially, so the boot files are running and alive until the system is shut down. So starting and ending. Okay. So the system starting, boot files are running, and ending also the boot files are running. Okay. So these boot files are called as Damen process. Okay. Those processes wait for the instruction from the system or user. This process is wait for the system instruction or user instruction. Whatever the instruction it will be processed and executed. Okay. So that's why those process wait for the instruction. Those process means what process? Damen process is wait for the instruction from the system or user. Why? So we are giving the input to the particular process input. So then only the process will be processed. Then only the process will be executed. Okay. So that's why those process in the sense the Damen process wait for the instruction. Why? We are taking the instruction by the user or system. Okay. So wait for the instruction from the system or user. We are not allowed to kill those process. So this is very, very important process. Okay. So the Damen process will not be killed. So some other process, the parent process is killed sometimes, ARPAN process is killed sometimes, background process is killed sometimes, foreground process is killed. There may be happen, but here the Damen process will not be killed because of it is backgroundly working. So we are not allowed to kill those process forcefully. Okay, forcefully this process will not be killed. Okay, so this process will not be killed. It is very simple process. In daily life we are using Damen process. So for example best example is init method. So root process. Init method means here root process. So root process is nothing but the Damen process. Whenever the system is starting up to ending time, so this method is still it is alive. It is working. Okay. So that's why here it is a init method is a Damen process. And also in the last class we will see the swapper classes. Swapper class is also called as Damen process. So actually this is also one of the type of process, Damen process. Okay. So the Damen process, those are activated whenever the system is booted and alive until the system is shut down. Alive until the system is shut down. Those process wait for the instruction for the system or user. This process is wait for the system or user. Instruction it will be taken as a system or user. We are not allowed to kill those process forcefully. Okay, we are not kill this process forcefully. Init method and swapper class is the daemon process. Init method and swapper class is the daemon process. This is one of the best example of using init method, daemon process. Okay. Now, before going to trap command, I will give you the inputs of the trap command. You know that signal. Okay. So, if you are trap the signal, okay, how to trap the signal? The signal ID, you know that, then only that signal will be trapped. Am I correct or not? So, in the so next topic is here signals. Next topic is signals. A signal is a message. We know that already, the data communication and also in the EDC. So some ECE subjects we know that already. Signals means waves. Okay. So here the signal is a message. The signal is a message sent to the program under execution. Sent to the program under execution. So how we are giving the system instruction? We are giving the signal. Okay. Input as a signal. Our input as a signal. Nothing but. Okay. That's why it is a message. Signal is a message sent to a program under execution. Sent to a program under execution. There are many signals are there in the Unix operating system. You will see some signals table. I will show you. This table is very, very important, and after this table I will explain the trap command. Okay, that's why. So that trap command is completely depends on signals. That's why before going to trap command, I will explain the signals. Okay, signal is a message sent to a program under execution. So here different type of signals are there. You see the table, signals table. Signals table. Okay, in this signals table, this is the signal number 1, 2, 3, not a serial number. Carefully, listen carefully. So this is not a serial number, it is a signal number 1. Signal number 2 represents somewhat. Signal number 3 represents somewhat. Signal number 9. Signal number 15. Signal number 24. These are the signal numbers, not serial numbers. Okay. So you observe this. Here 3 fields are there. Signal number, signal name, and signal purpose. What purpose that signal is used. Okay. What purpose that signal is used. Okay. Signal number, signal name, signal purpose. Okay. So these are the signals. Okay. So first we can see the signal number 1. Signal number 1. SIG. SIG is common. Okay. Here SIG is there. 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 SIG HU. SIG HU means what? Hang up. The signal is hang up. We know that already. Sometimes the signal is stopped because of maybe overlapping. So that's why the signal is hang up. Okay, that's why signal hang up. So it means that process to hang up. Process to hang up. Signal number 1 means SIG HU. HU means hang up. Okay, process to hang up. Okay, next one. Signal number 2. Signal number 2. SIG is common. INT means interrupt. INT means interrupt. Okay, SIG INT. Interrupt the process. Interrupt the process. So how it is continue? Using the Control C, the signal will be activated. Okay, so the signal is interrupted already. How the interrupt is reduced? Control C. Control C button. We are pressing, automatically the signal is activated again. Without interrupt, it will be executed. Okay. So here, signal number 2. Signal number 2 means SIG INT. SIG INT. INT means interrupt. INT means interrupt. SIG interrupt to a process. Control plus C, then it is activated. Okay. Next, signal number 3. Signal number 3. SIG is common. SIG QUIT. QUIT means quit. The signal is quit. Automatically the signal is quit. Here the process to quit. Okay. There may be some problem. There may be complete the process. The time the signal will be quit. Okay. So here the shortcut is how it is continue again. Same signal. Control plus slash. Control plus slash symbol we are using. The signal is continue. Okay. So here SIG quit. QUIT. Quit means the signal will be quit. Okay. Either complete after quit. Either before completion there may be some problem is there. It will be quit. Okay. So 3 means SIG QUIT. Okay. So just these numbers you know that. Okay. These numbers are using to trap the signal. That's why these numbers are very very important. I told you. Okay. So next 9, signal number 9, SIG kill. You know that kill command. So I will give you details about kill. Kill means to process control. We can use the kill command. Okay. The process to kill. The process to kill. Okay. Signal number 9. So SIG is common. KILL. Kill. Kill the process. We can use the SIG kill command. Okay. So signal number 9. Next signal number 15. SIG term. 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 What is the term means? Termination. What is the English? Termination. SIG term. The process to terminate. The process to terminate. SIG term. The process to terminate. Okay. So this is the signal number 15. Next signal number 24. Signal number 24. SIG stop. SIG stop means the process to stop. The process to stop. SIG stop. Stop means the process to stop. Okay, automatically if it is completed or any interrupt is there, the signal is automatically stopped. So at the time we are using the SIG STOP stop. So these are the number of signals. So many signals are there. Regularly we are using this type of signals. Signal number 1 hang up, signal number 2 interrupt, signal number 3 quit, signal number 4 kill, signal number 9 kill, signal number 15 term, signal number 24 stop. These are the signals we are using to trap the signal. Okay. So before going to trap command, these signals are very helpful. That's why I am giving this table. Okay. So this is a very very important table. If you know the table, the trap command is very easy. Now we are going to trap command. Trap command. Okay. So here the trap command is function built. The shell responded to hardware signal and other events. Responded hardware signal and other event. We can use the trap command. The trap command is used to trap the signal. It is very very important point. The trap command, why it is using? So to trap the signal and also decided the further action. So to trap the signal, decided the further action. That's why we can use the trap command. So this is the simple syntax. This is the simple syntax. $trap command signal number. So I told you already signal number here. These are the signal numbers. So here these are the signal numbers we want to use in this place. Signal number here. Okay. Either 1 we can use, 2 you can use, 3 you can use, 9, 15, 24. These are the signals we know that. So signal number 1, what is that hang up? Signal number 2 is interrupt. Signal number 3 is term. Signal number 9 is like that. So we can use the signal number. Here the command, it is optional. Okay, no need to use that command. So it is optional. So that's why here the command field is optional. Okay, here the command field is optional. If it is used, you can use it. Otherwise, no need. Okay, just trap. You are giving the signal name, so automatically that process is either state, activated state. Okay. So the commands must be present in the double quotations. So if you are writing the commands, you are giving the double quotations only. Okay? If you are writing the commands are writing in the double quotations if the specific command. Okay? Double quotations if the specific command. Next, the commands are executed whenever the specified signal is received. So once the command is executed, specified signal we can receive. Okay? Why we are using the commands? The command is executed, specific signal will be received. That's why we can use the commands in this place. Okay? You can see the example. So $trap, ls, inverted commas we are writing, ls is a command. So here 2 means signal number 2. 2 means signal number 2. What is the 2 meaning? Here you can see the interrupt. 2 means interrupt. 2 means interrupt. So here interrupt signal we are writing. Okay. So trap command using ls, list of files display. So in this list of files, so we are interrupt is given. There may be the output interrupt is happen. So this is called as signal. This is called as trap command. So best example here, trap command signal number. Trap command signal number. So I am giving trap command signal number. Okay, here trap is given. Here we can use the inverted commas ls command after signal number we are giving. Okay, so this is a best example. We can use the signals we can use to stop our process, whatever action will be using. Okay. Next, description. Trap defines the actuates handlers to the run when the shell receives a signal or other special conditions. Shell receives a signals or other special conditions using the trap command. Okay. Next, here the trap command using one more command is arg. Arg is argument command to be read and execute when the shell is receive a signal S. SIG is specific. SP is specific. Okay. If arg is absent, the signal is specific is supplied. Arg is the using inverted commas underscore. Each specified signal is reset to its original value. Signal is reset to its original value. Okay. If the ARG is a null string means 0. Each signal specifies the ignore by the shell and by the command it invokes that. It invokes that. Okay. So this is the ARG signal. It continues the ARG signal. Signal specifies exit 0. It is null. ARG is execute upon the exit from the shell. If signal specifies DEBUG, ARG is executed before the very simple command. Okay. If a signal specific is return. Okay. Here exit, here begin, and here return. ARG is execute each time to shell function or script run by them using the dot symbol. Script run by them using the dot symbol. Okay. And also are the source built-in commands finished to execute. Signal specifies error. Okay. It is error. Means to execute the ARG time to commands failure would be cause and shall exist to option E is enabled. Option E is enabled. Option E means error. Option E is enabled. Option E means error. Okay. A signal specifies of error means to execute ARG time commands failure. Error means failure would cause the shell to execute when the option E is enabled. I told you. If no arguments are supplied, trap print the list of commands associated with each signal. Trap signal, how it is writing, we can see that. Here, two options is important, L and option P. Option L means print the list of signals, list of signal names and their corresponding numbers. So we are writing the numbers, signal number. Okay, next option P means display the trap command associated with the catchy signal specific. Okay, display the trap command associated with the catchy signal specific. So these are all using the trap command. Okay, so thank you.